welcome back to our channel. Our tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how to Airbnb and Camper. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Airbnb app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in into your Airbnb account. Now at the bottom right corner you can see a profile option where you can find Airbnb a place option right below your profile. Now scroll down and tap on Airbnb setup. Once you do that, you can see you can tap on create a new listing at the end of the screen, then tap on get started. Next you have to tap on next, then you're gonna have to select the property that you want to Airbnb. Select camper or RV, then select next. Once you do that, they're gonna ask you the type of place that guests will have. Select it, then tap on next. Now they're gonna ask you a series of questions like your location and pictures, amenities, accommodations, etc. You just have to answer them and you'll successfully Airbnb a camper. And guys, that's it. That's how you Airbnb a camper on your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.